some of the IoT product, you will be wonder. These are all the devices. Happy Fork, first one is. This Happy Fork, most probably, I hope you might have seen in advertisement or anywhere. See, this is the electronic fork. This is monitor and track your eating habit. If you eat fastly, it gives gentle vibration. Oi, slowly, you eat slowly. Likewise, it will tell you, right? And if you're an obesity, it will tell you you lost weight or more weight, like that it will tell you. Huh? And this your friendly devices. And the second one is My Vessels Cup. This is monitor how much ounce of water you are drinking. It is more important nowadays. We are all forget to drink the water. So if we keep with us, then it will tell you, see, for this, you are having you are drinking this type this much of water, you please have more water. See, there is a intelligent artificial intelligence is working in it, so for the drinking glass. And a smart toothbrush. For last 3 to 4 months, I think, before last 4 months before it launched, it is by Colgate company. It is a smart electric brush. See, there is a small vibration will give if it identifies any decay in your tooth. See, yeah, you have to brush it in the left side upper jaw. You have to clear your right side or a lower jaw. This tooth, it will guide you. It will tell you, and also it will advise you if it is more deep decay in your tooth. It will guide you to go meet a dental doctor. Right? This is the type of device IoT product. Glucose monitoring. Yeah, this is glucose monitoring for monitor the glucose level. It will be useful for the diabetic patient, right? And smart propane tank. This is for track the monitor the propane gas from anywhere. You can do it from anywhere. You can fill it and you can refill it. Everything. Smart washing machines is still about this is most probably for energy saving, I can say, because the cloth is how the cloth is, how much of dirt is there, how much time you want to wash it. It is a low wash or high wash you need. According to that, the energy will be saved. Piggy bank is a free online bank system. It will tell you how much of amount you have in a balance, and if it is filled, it will the nose on the lights up. Its nose is there, that it lights up. It will show in a pink color so that the bank is totally filled, and you can also set this financial goals from anything. And this is one is hydroponic system. This needs and water, that this is about the plant when the plant is need water, and feed them accordingly through this IoT. And a smart sprinkler, you can do it from anywhere anytime through your smartphone, using this sprinkler in a agriculture field. Smart shirt. This is the smart shirt. Will tell you that is a heart rate. There is a chip behind in it in the collar side. It will tell you. It will relate your heart rate, your breathing style, breathing, and it monitors improving for any health. And also another one shirt like hug the shirt, smart hug shirt. If you wear that shirt, you can feel it. Someone is hugging you. So whenever you feel it like that, you can buy the smart shirt and you wear it. And another one is smart home security. That smart home security is for locking system and what is that? Switching off your home lights, everything. This is for the another one device. And smart pet is for this is a clever pet. Entertain with your dog and pet in your home. This is another one device. And this is the device for smart lighting. It is used to control your bulbs altogether in your home. And this is another device which is called a smart door lock. You can lock and unlock through the Bluetooth technology. And also this is another one devices which is control your AC. And smart shoes is it shares the navigations and the directions and orientation. When you wear the shoes, it will tell you that is like a GPRS system, where to end. That is, you started here and want to reach the destination means it will guide you It will give the directions, go straight, left, or turn right, and straight away go like this. It will guide you. And the smart sleep system, it is a device which collect your data. That is, when you sleep, when you wake up, all the styles of your methodology, it will record it. It will store the all data in your database. This is smart plane. This is by the Bluetooth technology. You can check the flight time through this wireless Bluetooth technology. And second one is sense mother. This is like mother. What is mother? What our mother will do in our home, see, switch off your mobile, switch off your laptop, switch off the TV, switch off the go and sleep. Likewise, this mother will tell you that it is like the head of the family, and it is a small connected sensors. It will tell you and guide you. Don't do it. It will switch off everything. It will All the devices will be switched off, and it is a healthy and a pleasurable one. And a blood pressure monitor, as if this is monitor your blood pressure. Smart weather station, yes, it is a device which is to identify the weather in the station. And a slow cooker, smart slow cooker is, you can cook anywhere, you can cook it from anywhere. Dancing robo. So I have seen the last 2 days. There is a one movie, I think Shiva Karthikeyan movie, Hero. In that movie, they have used this IoT dancing robot. That is, they just switched on the camera and send it to the enemy's hall. That is in a confidential room. From that, they are capturing all the images. They're capturing videos what they have talk in that confidential room. So this is the dancing robot. And another device is a smart turning rocket and a smart cycle. The smart cycle will tell you the directions and rerouters to avoid there is a traffic, etc., etc. It will guide you. This is drop. The drop is for when you show your mobile smartphone to on the recipe side, sorry, on any baking powder, then it will show the recipe list of the recipes, and it will list the directions. It will list the substitutions, where it will be available. Go and purchase, how to cook, everything. It will tell you when you showing the mobile phone on your on that product. And the pet net, this is the pet net. And the garbage cans, this is also IoT product. And smart mirror. Smart mirror is more important. I was very much impressed. See, when you stand in front of the mirror, it will tell you what is today's date, what is your appointment today, what is your program schedule, what meeting, when the meeting was, meeting with whom, everything it will tell. It is called a smart mirror. It can be displayed in your home and also office environment. And this one is a smart gardening. Smart gardening is for, it gives the data on the plant and the conditions, so that we can give the water, flow the water through this IoT technology for the better gardening. And a smart car. Smart car, what is that? Cardio. This will identify your signals from the heart rate, and it will the cardiac monitor. So there is always some disadvantages in everything. Likewise, see, there is a huge risk here. Let's say you have a good information infra in your home. You have all things are connected, and in your laptop you have a very secure data, maybe your confidential company data, and suddenly someone tries to back your machines, track your machines. You will say, no one hack my machine, because my machine is secured with firewall, right? So some of disadvantages also is there. So let me conclude my sessions finally. Thank you very much. Here I'm sure my mail ID. If you have any query, later you contact me through my mail ID.
Thank you for watching.